Morning, guys. We are the last people to almost the last set of people to come for breakfast. So we just finished breakfast and yeah. So they are packing up. So we hope this is kind of it. Although it's very big, this is just one floor and they have 4 floors. This is one floor. There's one floor that is down here. There's another floor that is also down again. So we have different floors. That's vanilla, obviously. As usual. I enjoyed my tea. Don't say me I be tea woman. Any tea there is tea, you see me. That's me. Morning. On to breakfast day. Can't even know the day anymore. I've lost count. Is it day 4? I think so. Oh, day 4 of our trip, and we just finished breakfast this morning. We'll carry you guys along the way as we go. I beg it. Just English breakfast I had. English breakfast. Beans, egg, bacon. I tried some. I had toast bread. What am I even showing you? You see, after food, I had bacon. I had toast bread, I had jam and lamb. I also had hard boiled. You can see the food. So I really had a nice, hearty, filled breakfast today. Madam had her beans and her sausage as usual. I think that's it. So guys, we'll take you. Hello. Bye. See you later. Just sitting towards the extreme end so that I will not put people's face in my video too much. Some people have gone, yeah, that's why I brought out the camera. You can see. Bye guys. And I go tell them bye. Tell them bye. Tell the guys bye. No wait. Bye guys. Take it as you like it. We're waiting for the lift. One goes down to the other floors of the restaurant. We just came out from this particular one. We're waiting for the lift to go to our room. She had an Ella just carry her leg for pushing. Let's go, guys. Keep a safe distance. Mentegala distancia de cigarilla. I'm going to learn this language. This language doesn't look difficult. Magic Costa Blanca. It's okay, we can go to the restaurant. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have kids club downstairs. Come on, just lift. Back. Sorry. Back from breakfast. Just sitting and resting before our plan of what to do for morning from Benidorm, Spain. The sun is in the other side, so that's why I can stay in the balcony to, watch people do their life and go by. There are some kids playing. Is it? No, that's not volleyball. Just ball, just ball, just soccer football. Yeah. Just watching life go by. Life go by. In Benidorm, Spain. Look at that mountain region. Up over there. Oh, this town is surrounded by the sea and the mountains. Anywhere I look, I can see the mountains far above these buildings. All the buildings, most of all the buildings are like this. I'm in the 4th floor. If I was above the 4th floor, I would have been seen everywhere. Let's see what's going on down there. Anyway, it's my Daniela. She's getting tired for the day. I don't know. I wanted to take a long walk around the town to really walk around today. That's what I plan to do. And then lounge by the poolside also. I'll not go to the beach today. Yesterday we came with a lot of sand. And this cleaner, I never see them come clean my room. There? I don't know what they do them. They don't leave us. When cleaning should be like they clean today, tomorrow they will not clean, the other day they will clean. So they cleaned yesterday and then we came back in the night with loads and loads of sand. Me and sand no be friend. I'm already feeling sand in everything. Alright guys. We'll plan what to do and we'll carry you guys along. Don't go anywhere. See you in a bit. Bye. For Monica Oviri. Like and subscribe to see more of the summer holiday videos in Benidorm, Spain. Bye bye. Sunbeds. Happy holiday from Benidorm, Spain. Benidorm, Spain. I'm gonna get myself a drink. You know, I told you guys it's unlimited drinks. So I've not even seen that view before, so it's good I came this way. Look at that view, guys. The weather has calmed down and I think I like it like this. So let me go get myself a drink. I'm also going to dip myself and swim because I've been in the sun for quite some time now. It's very good for my legs. For my legs. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to jump now in the pool. I'm going to jump in the pool. You see him? Okay, now you just pick one. You say sex on the beach. Maybe this. You don't test them. I'll try them. I don't hear sex on the beach, but I never try them. My friend is trying sex on the beach cocktail. It's by the beach cocktail. That piece, I saw this thing. The sun has come down. The sun has hit my leg. Oh my God. This sun not be your age. You got my leg. One I'm mojito too. I will try all these drinks. We don't pay for everything. I don't know if you drink, I will film that show. They will say no, you point them. No, I know their names. People when they drink. Stop drinking, so but at least I know they stop drinking. Those days when I used to drink. Some years back. But now I just take my little cocktail or my mocktail and I'm good. Oh, bobo. This son at your age. This guy's son at your age. Where you want to see this guy thing? You gonna buy it? Yes, I bought it. That's why I came to. That's why I came to this country to buy it. To buy this son. Since I cannot go to Africa, I come to Spain. This place is clearer. Sunflower. I decided to come to the shade. Let me go and get myself something cold to drink. Let me contemplate my face, my God, my Father. Oh my God, I came downstairs to see that it's raining cats and mouse in Benidorm. They don't see raining anyway. Okay, no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo! How come we didn't go out today? Cats and mouse. Oh my God. Today we didn't go anywhere, so today we hold people as they are coming back. Oh my God. Cat and mouse. I think to buy Daniela her favorite crepes, so let me just do that and go upstairs. Sorry. Alright, enjoy the rain. Day 4, rain decided to fall. Day 4, rain decided to fall. Yes. Whoa. Enjoy. So I get my daughter a crepes. That's why I came downstairs today. I need to get her this like this crepes a lot, so that's what I'm going to buy. So let me buy and go. Alright. Oh, this is so expensive. What is this one? This is an onion. Yeah. Alright, let me just go around and see whether I'll get something else that I would like. Yeah, just a convenience store. All right. I'll just buy this one. I think this should be okay. Yeah, just that for now. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Good evening, guys. It's been raining like since afternoon. I took a nap. I took a sleep, like an hour. I just woke up, just freshened up Daniela. So I think it's around 7:30, 7:40 now. Dinner starts by 8. We'll just go for dinner and then we might just take a little walk because the sky is not 100% still clear. It might still rain. You can see that side. It might still rain in the night, but this side is clear. But this side still look very dicey. I don't have one, but I don't want to be soaked in Spain. So today I just put on this light long sleeve shirt, and I put socks for Daniela so that in case it rains, it will not be too cold. Although I'm putting on a sandal in my leg, just a sandal, and I'm putting on a free, I don't know what you call it, because this is light, but at least cover my leg. It's not like nika. So I'm just looking at people. Some people are still putting on their nika and just a t-shirt. But some are putting on trousers, some are carrying their extra shirts as they go ahead. So guys, let's go for dinner and let's take the day and end the day. Yeah, and end the day like that. We were supposed to go to the old town, but because of the rain we couldn't go. So we just go for dinner and walk around this our area. There's a coastal bus coming, bringing people. That's the noise. Yeah, coastal buses always bring people. And so like you guys can see it. So people that's going for holiday, this people, you are the guys that brought this cold weather and this rain. This good. They are the ones that brought this rain. They will be like, if it's their first time ever, they will be like, what? Is this Benidorm? Is this rain? What kind of rain is this? They'll be dying of heat food. Maybe this rain came to clear everywhere so that tomorrow, it will be, back to the Benidorm weather again. Yeah. And that's it, guys. I'm going to went to that beach yesterday. I was regretting that, I wouldn't have come to the beach. It would have been a worse day. So, started raining again, started drizzling again. I'm not even sure we can take any walk. We'll just be around our hotel here. There are activities always going on in the hotel in the night. They do magic nights. They do dancing. They do their Spanish dancing, Latino and all those things. So, we just enjoy around the hotel. Alright guys, see you later. Bye. Let me show you what I picked. Head shop, this is turkey, there's goat meat, there's lemon, there's fish. I just put everything so that I will not be walking. There's spring roll there and cake. I know that there's a spoon there. I know it's having burger and different pastel, like different ketchup. So let's eat. Bon appetit, guys. This is a spread close to me here. Right. They are doing some grilled meat over there. Dinner is served. From the play with that. Oh, go and sit down there. Did you finish your orange drink? Dinner girl. I'm having red wine to digest my food. Red wine. Yes, guys. Before you that burger and that sweet, your belly very small.
Un círculo grande. Venga chicos,
After dinner, we are outside having
un círculo grande.
disco night for the kids.
Venga chicos,
Disco night and magic game for the kids. That's Madame there. I don't want to join her.
Muy bien, échese para atrás. Perfecto, mira qué círculo más bonito. Parece...
We're outside. Oh, let's stretch our legs. We just came out. I love this town. Anytime you can come out. I don't even know what the time is, but I know it's like 11 p.m. It's another hotel. Everywhere is hotel in the streets. Maya. The whole of the streets is hotels. Every nook and corner. People are going by. When I'm coming, and that's why we should take a seat. Say we should sit down a little bit. So that's what we're doing before we start going. There's one road down like this. I want us to walk down to the other side and come out. And this is Mama here. Happy holidays once again. Finish dinner, finish washing, dancing, doing activities there. I say let's get up and just walk. Let my food digest by doing the walk. So how are you guys doing? I might just end the video here because it's late in the night. It's around 11 p.m. So I might just end the vlog here and pick it up from here tomorrow. Thank you guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up as usual. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you very, very shortly in the next one. This one's their bosses. Getting distracted. Bye. Was just a big hotel. Shining lights everywhere. Where, Mom? What? Sure. Let me show you. I'm just taking a walk. Oh, guys. Easy wrap. Lie down. Oh, just lie down. Walked a long walk, and this one good thing about this town is that before you walk, you don't even walk long, you get a share. Or you walk long because they know it's a town of walking and not a train bus or any other means of transport. So there's share everywhere. When you walk long walk, when you get to a certain place, you just relax. That's what I'm doing. So we start going home now. Beautiful hotels, just all around us. Yeah. I've ended this vlog before. It is sweets me for my belly. We bought something we saw a shop. There are loads of shops everywhere. So we saw a shop. We bought 2 t-shirts at the road. I love Benidorm. I'll show it to you guys. Maybe when we get to the hotel or tomorrow. My daughter picked a cap and more other fridge magnets for that girl. All right, bye.